right, the never-ending section of Chapter 8, Section 4. We are still in 8.4, and I want to take a look right here. Find the fifth term of this to the 8th power. So I'm going to write this down here so we can not deal with the paper, and I don't have to worry about room. So it says a plus 2b to the 8th power, and I'm looking for the fifth term. Yes, I could work all this out and make myself cray-cray, or I can memorize this little formula. I really don't see this much, but in this section you will see it. But we have to understand what this formula means. So the first thing that we see right here is just a combination. So we have n combination r. So we have to first know, hey, what is my n? What is my r? So I know I'm going to have a combination. My n is 8, so this is going to be my n. My r, well, typically it's an r plus 1 term. So to find the formula that you're using, the formula is for the r plus first term. So r is 1 less than the number of term that you're looking for. So this is actually going to be 4. 4 is going to be my r. And then we have to take the x. Well, I know that the x is the first term right here. So I need to take a to the, this is literally a, to the n minus r, 8 minus 4. And then my second term, 2b, to the r, which is 4. So let's go ahead and see if we could find this. Yeah, I'm just going to show it like that. The first thing we need to remember is combinations. I'm taking 8 factorial 4 times on the top, or you can use your calculator. And then I'm taking 4 factorial. And then the second part, I'm going to have a to the 4th power. And the third part, well, I know 2 to the 4th power is 16, and b to the 4th power is b to the 4th. So let's continue. We'll reduce. 4 times 2 gives me that 8. 3 goes into 6 2 times, and I know that 35 times 2 is 70. My a to the 4th. And my 16b to the 4th, well, we got to continue to multiply, right? 16 times 70 is 1,120. A to the 4th, b to the 4th. And that's how you do one specific term of a very long binomial expansion. All right, don't forget to like and subscribe. Great job, Precalc.